It's just Gigi. Happy Vlogsmas.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Just Gigi, and welcome back to my channel. So today we going to the mall. So I'm supposed to be going to go get some like matching pajamas with my best friend or whatever, because we supposed to be having like a girls' night with her people. So that's what I'm on my way to do today or whatever. I'm going to be vlogging my day, of course, with you guys. I'm gonna vlog my entire day for you guys so y'all can see what I end up doing. Nothing crazy or whatever. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to come back for more. I'll see y'all soon, and I hope y'all enjoying these vlogs for Vlogsmas, because your girl been extra consistent because I love y'all. So please make sure you go ahead, come back, share with your mama, share with your auntie, y'all. Share it so these people can subscribe. Okay, guys, just giving y'all a little update. I'm not really doing anything. I'm waiting on my best friend or whatever. She just took my baby in her friend's house so she can go pee, because my baby, as soon as we get somewhere, I gotta pee. Lord Jesus. So I'm just waiting on it so she can take her in there so she can go pee. Well, she just went to go take her in there to go pee or whatever. Y'all, we finna go to the mall. Apparently we gotta get 2 pairs of Christmas pajamas, 1 pink for our girls' night, and then 1 for our Christmas girls' night. But it's so exciting. But if y'all don't know, I'm telling you now, this weekend that's coming up, today is Tuesday. On Friday, me and my best friend are going to Detroit to visit her family. I've been around my best friend's family since I was 16, y'all. I'm 26. So yes, so pretty much they like my family. So we're gonna go visit them, which I am gonna be vlogging that too, so you guys can see that. Y'all in Chicago, you gotta look. I know you gotta check them river mirrors, baby. All this play like that, you gotta check the mirrors, okay? But yeah, so that's what we get ready to do. Go to the mall, so I can vlog a little bit more once we get there. But so far, it's been a pretty boring day. I haven't done much. Just went and got me some chips. I got my favorite chips. My best friend got these for me because she work at the gas station, y'all. So best chips in the world, y'all. So yes, that's all she got me. Well, she got me this. She got Lily some candy and stuff, but yeah, I'll see y'all soon. I'm coming back, and I'll see y'all. Y'all, look at me and my god baby. Don't we look alike? Cheese. She say, what's going on? Look at Lily. Y'all, she jelly. She be jealous. Come on, Booker Butt. Come on. Look at my baby. Look at my angel. Can you say hey to the camera? She running. Anyways, everybody finna play with her. Don't put your mouth on now, crazy. Beautiful, peaceful. Okay, y'all, so we just left that empty ass motherfucking mall because they ain't have much. I mean, we got us some Christmas pajamas. Now we at Five Below. Y'all know this is my favorite. Y'all know this is my favorite store or whatever. My best friend, hey best friend, and my god baby, and then Lily is in the back tearing that food up. Yeah,
You better eat, girl. You better eat, girl. You better eat. I know Lily's tired of me, y'all. I know she's tired of me, but I'm gonna take y'all in Fabulous with us. So see y'all soon. Renila. Hey, can I get a kissy?
I hate shit. Hi, Daniel.
I ain't playing with you. Move your hand.
Better take my time away from women. I cannot convince you that I love you.